Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Deep Dive into Attention Mechanisms, the core of transformers. Have you ever wondered how AI like ChatGPT can understand and generate human-like language so well? It's not magic, it's attention. This lesson will take you on a deep dive into attention mechanisms, the core technology that makes modern AI models, especially transformers, incredibly powerful. Think of attention as the AI's ability to focus on the most relevant parts of information, just like you would when reading a book. For a developer, understanding this is key to building and working with the next generation of AI applications. Before attention, AI models, like recurrent neural networks or RNNs, processed information word by word, sequentially. Imagine trying to remember a very long, complex sentence word by word. By the time you get to the end, you might forget the crucial context from the beginning. This made it hard for AI to understand long-range relationships in text. For example, if you read a 10-page report and only try to remember each word in order, you'd likely lose the big picture. Traditional AI struggled with this long-term memory problem. Attention is like giving the AI a superpower, the ability to highlight and focus. Instead of trying to process everything equally, it learns to identify which parts of the input are most important for understanding a specific word, or for generating the next one. Analogy: when you read a book or debug code, you don't give every single character the same importance. You focus on keywords, variable names, and how they relate to each other to understand the main idea. Attention mechanisms teach AI to do the same, allowing it to grasp context far better. A crucial type of attention is self-attention. This is where a word in a sentence looks at asterisk all other words in that same sentence and itself, to figure out its full meaning and context. For example, in the sentence "the bank of the river was muddy," the word bank needs to know about river to understand it's about geography, not a financial institution. Self-attention allows each word to dynamically understand itself better by checking in with its neighbors. From a developer's perspective, imagine each data point in your sequence dynamically calculating its relevance to every other data point. To make self-attention work, each word, or token in AI terms, transforms itself into three different vectors or mathematical representations. 1. Query. Q. What am I looking for? What information do I need from others? Single quote, like asking a question. 2. Key. K. What information do I contain that others might find useful? Single quote, like an index or a keyword that describes me. 3. Value. V. Here's the actual, full information I hold, like the actual content associated with the keyword. When a word's query matches or aligns well with another word's key, it means that other word's value is important and should be attended to. So, how does the AI decide which key matches a query? It's done with a mathematical operation, often a dot product, which calculates a similarity score between each query, Q, and every key, K. The higher the score, the more relevant that other word's key is to your query. These scores are then normalized, using a function like softmax, into probabilities, indicating how much attention should be paid. Finally, these probabilities are used to create a weighted average of all the values. V. Think of it like a developer using a map function where each item is processed based on a relevancy score calculated from all other items. Just looking at relevance from one perspective isn't always enough. Multi-head attention means the AI doesn't just perform the QKV scoring process once, but multiple times independently, using different sets of Q, K, and V transformations for each head. Each head learns to focus on slightly different aspects of the relationships between words. Analogy: it's like having a team of experts. Different heads. One expert might look for grammatical connections, another for semantic meaning, another for sentiment. By combining their diverse insights, the AI gets a richer, more nuanced understanding, leading to better overall comprehension. These ingenious attention mechanisms, especially self-attention and multi-head attention, are the fundamental building blocks of transformers, the groundbreaking AI architecture behind tools like ChatGPT, Google Bard, and image generation models. They allow these models to process entire sequences of text or other data simultaneously, identify complex relationships over long distances, and generate incredibly coherent and contextually relevant responses. As a developer, understanding this core mechanism unlocks the why behind the amazing capabilities of modern AI, and provides a foundation for building and leveraging these powerful systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.